I've lost a lot of money in the past couple of months and I'm gonna show you exactly how much and how so you can avoid it, but just after this quick intro that I just made and I find it funny.
Alright, this is the fucking intro. Amazing. Oh look, it's my name. Oh shit, I forgot this. Intro. I know how to read. Right. Fuck.
Okay, what's up everybody, my name is Dayleth and today I'm gonna make a video on how I fucked up. It's more like a tips and tricks on what not to do in order to get money or what to do in order to lose money. Also, everything I say is my personal experience. I am dumb, I'm impulsive, and I show people what not to do in order to succeed. Alright, so the first thing is the fact that I was going at the gym, which was more like a wellness club, which was based off Herbalife. And everybody there was, oh my god, Herbalife is so good, you can make a lot of money on it. And me being dumb, thinking that everybody's doing it, it might work. It can actually make me a lot of money. And I joined the thing, I invested $500 in it. Everybody was like, oh, we help people and we get some money out of it. I was thinking, damn, we are making people work out and they lose weight and we also get money. This is insane. I would love to join this. And what I was not aware of was the fact that they were not pushing working out, actually. They were pushing the products. I mean, they were doing workouts too, but they were pushing the products, like they were making money out of commissions from the products. So I dumped $500 in the products and I was actually able to recover like $200, but that took me a while and it's not going well for the rest of the product that I have. And yeah, I got played. It is what it is. I learned a lot about nutrition, so I'll just get it as a $300 course on nutrition. Yeah, fuck it. And in the same time, I worked on my body, so it's not really the worst investment, but that's how I lost $300. Yeah, so that was the first. Let's go to the second. The second one, it's more like a dumb decision. So moving on to the second thing, I was never into like investing in cryptocurrency or in stocks. Why? Because I didn't understand them and I was like, I don't belong there. I don't know how to do it, so I'm not gonna join. But then this shit happened. And then this thing happened, the graph. It's a cryptocurrency that actually surfaced on the 17th of December. And I just saw this extreme raise, like it went up 700% in like 3 days, and for me that was amazing. I saw it like when it started to drop, it was at 0.5 and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna go back up, I'm gonna invest in this, I really need to get on it, so yeah, I'll make a lot of money, all good in the hood. So I started setting up a platform so I could buy it, and by the time I set up the entire thing, it was like around zero for, let me check. Alright, so I bought exactly on the 21st. After it started dropping, I bought it with like 0.5, I'm guessing, maybe, yeah, why have I bought it 0.5? Damn, I'm fucking stupid. Then what happened? It started dropping, and it started dropping like crazy, and I was like, I'm holding, it will go back up, I'm sure of it, it will go back up. And after a lot of dropping around January the 15th, I was like, okay, this shit is not working, I'm gonna sell it and invest in Bitcoin. The very fucking next day, the price shot up. Like for the next 3 days, and I sold for 0.33, so I was at loss with like $40. I forgot to mention I invested $100. I was at loss with like $40. I was at 60 right now, so I was like, okay, I'm moving to Bitcoin. What happened then? Just after I fucking sold it, I woke up the next day, the price is up. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, maybe I was wrong. In the same fucking time, the Bitcoin price was dropping. So I made the worst decision at the worst time. Next day, the price is even higher. As you can see, I would have been on the fucking like green. I would have actually made some money off of it. But no, I sold. And then it went even higher and I was fucking pissed. But then it dropped and I was like, should I put my money back in it? Maybe it won't go so high as I thought. So I didn't, and I continued to lose some money, and then the price shot up, and as of today, actually not today, like 2 days ago, the price was at 0.85 and it was like a profit of 80%. But yeah, I sold on 15th because I was impatient and I just realized that you cannot sell being impatient, and I had no experience with the crypto market. But that taught me a thing, that if you believe in something, you need to hold it. And yeah, And then we move on to another thing, which is like Dogecoin. This is something I have not invested in, but I would have liked to, because when it was like 1.3, so yeah, it was at 0.13 or something like this, and I was like, oh shit, this is gonna raise. I was seeing the news everywhere, Dogecoin, okay, I'm gonna invest in this. Guess what? My platform wasn't supporting Dogecoin, so I was not able to buy. So for the next fucking 6 hours, I watched the price rise, and I know I couldn't do anything. And yeah, I lost another opportunity. This is not losing money, but it's losing an opportunity for making money, which, yeah. And this goes to the last fucking thing. And I really think that you already know what this is about. GameStop stocks. Yeah, it went for like 2 weeks and I jumped on it. When the fuck did I jump on it? So, hey, can you load? Alright, so with GameStop this happened. Some dudes pumped it and it skyrocketed. After it skyrocketed, then it dropped because of the short sellers and all that. And I was like, maybe this is an opportunity to make some money. Maybe it will go back up, because everybody was like, GameStop, GME to the moon. Holding, yee, we make a lot of money. And let me check. And then it shot up again, and I was like, damn, I should really join on this boat. I'm gonna make a lot of money. And around, wait, how do I do it? Once again, I had no fucking experience with the stocks. I was new in this. I never actually wanted to do this, but yeah, I saw an opportunity. And around the first, when it was at like 260, I invested $137. When it was at like 260 something, 265 around it, I invested $137, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna make some money. Then the price dipped. The price dipped to like 255, and I was like, damn, I should invest some more because this is going to the moon. And yeah, I placed an order at 255 for $341, and I was actually trying to use Revolut. And yeah, the thing was that the order was pending for 70 minutes, and I actually bought the stocks at $277. So kinda Revolut fucked me a little bit, because they actually confirmed my order 70 minutes later and I was not able to cancel it. What does 277 mean? It meant at the fucking peak. It meant here at the fucking top. And then what happened? Guess what? The price fucking went in a free fall. And for the past days I've been watching how my stocks were fucking falling down, and right now it's at $53.50, which means I'm at a loss for 80%. And yeah, so I lost $300. I then lost another like $40, and then I lost again like who's counting, maybe 400 something. Yeah, I still have the shares for GameStop, because why would I sell now? I mean, that money was lost, so yeah. The problem is, when I started doing YouTube, I was dumb enough to quit my job, because I was like, I'm going to the moon, and I didn't. I'm 3 months in or 2 months in, I don't fucking know, and I'm at 38 subscribers, because I was at 39, I watched it, and I was like, damn, maybe tomorrow I'll get 40, and I got 38. And yeah, and then I made some bad investments with the money I had left, and the thing is that the last money I had, I have invested in GME, and right now I have no fucking money. I'm broke as shit, because going into stocks with no information whatsoever and investing everything you have, it's a fucking dumb idea, and you have to learn from it. I learned a lot about stocks. I learned a lot about crypto. Now I would actually join the movement. It's quite interesting. You can make some money if you get like informed about what you're doing, and I will probably do this in the future, but first I need to make some money. Worst part of this shit, my rent is due in like 5 days and I got no money. I could sell the GME stock, I could sell the crypto that I have, and I would be able to pay my rent. But I will. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna borrow some money for two things. First off, to pay my rent, then I'll get a job to pay it back. Yeah, I'm gonna get a job again. It's not a problem. I'll figure it out. And the second thing, I was thinking on buying more GME stocks to make my average lower. So whenever it will go back up, it doesn't have to go to 300 to make my money back. It will have to go to like 200 probably. I'm probably dumb as shit for still wanting to invest in GME. I'm a lost cause, but I think you will look at me and don't be like me. It's not fun. Actually, for me, it's fun because I'm so retarded that I went all in, and I'm at loss with everything, and I'm still gonna survive. It's not a problem. Don't worry about me. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get a job. I'm gonna do some shit, and yeah, after I'm getting a job, maybe I'll be able to like pay my rent, and the rest of the money I'll invest in stocks and lose it all. It's a fun thing to do. The best thing about me is that I don't give a fuck about money. I like making money. I love making money. It's damn. But I don't really need the money. I don't give a fuck about it. I got everything I want. I got a computer. I got my VR headset. New videos coming out. I'm quite fine. But this was a video on some what not to do as financial advice. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next episode, and yeah, I'll get back to work. I'll actually start posting again. I had some things going on. I'll make a video about it. Why the fuck not? Alright, this was Dayless. Don't invest like a fucking dumbass and stay safe. Don't play with your money. Have a great day. Consider subscribing if you like this shit and if you like to see what I'm doing in the future. Yeah. Like the video and comment, bro. Have a nice one. Bye bye.